things, or one of the most important processes of having a brand and finding your own voice within your brand, is knowing that you have to make those mistakes at times. You are never gonna get to the place where you want to be without making an error or making a mistake or making a foolish decision at times. Unfortunately, we're not perfect. Those imperfections is what allows us to create things that align and resonate with people. Why do you want this brand or the brand that you're gonna create? Who is it for? What will it mean to those people? And ultimately, how does what you're creating, how does that reflect on you? My grandma often says, never despise anyone's experience, no matter how small, how grand, never, because that's their experience. And what they're telling you, whether small or big, can dramatically impact your life. The biggest step that y'all will take post-course is choosing yourself, choosing your ideas, choosing to believe in yourself, choosing to chase those dreams, choosing to take those risks, take those chances, because the higher the risk, the higher the reward, baby.